Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. Today, we embark on a journey through the emotional and intuitive world of Cancer. The sign symbolized by the protective crab. Cancer natives are known for their deep sensitivity and resilience, shielding their hearts while fiercely guarding those they love. Let's explore how their unique blend of compassion, loyalty, and inner strength shapes their lives and relationships. Transformation, negative and defensive means fundamentally they are emotionally sensitive, capable of suppressing their own desires, and exhibit both passivity and an inherent ability for bravery and activism. Let's talk about their principles. A defensive approach and tendency not only promote progress but also reveal a keen sense of resilience. Along with resilience, there is also a strong commitment to protection and strengthening. Crab. The Cancer sign resembles the human shell in its characteristics. It also symbolizes a desire for protection and security. The physical glands and their functions can be compared to those of individuals born under Cancer. Additionally, the crab's claws are seen as analogous to the loyalty and steadfastness of Cancer individuals. This animal, with its protective outer shell and sensitive, soft inner nature, is comparable to the exemplary qualities of those with the Cancer sign. Let's talk about the characteristics. They are highly sensitive and can easily be wounded internally, meaning they feel emotional pain immediately, yet externally they give the impression of being very tough. They rely on themselves and exhibit a certain hardness. They are fiercely loyal and protective of their family. By nature, they are family oriented and patriotic. They need security and a refuge where they can retreat to restore their self confidence. They are compassionate, creative, emotional, sensitive, moody, and prefer solitude. They have a strong inclination towards collecting different things. Their desire to travel often conflicts with their emotional and sensitive nature. The solution to these natural tendencies is for them to be guided to follow a structured routine. Mentally, they are forward thinking, receptive to influence, intuitive, and quick to grasp concepts. They have a good memory, are easily affected by spiritual influences, and infuse their emotions with their thoughts. In love, they are romantic, emotional, extremely loyal, and protective. In women, the maternal instinct is very strong, while in men, the protective instinct is pronounced, but both are sensitive by nature. Let's talk about their weaknesses and flaws. They are overly sensitive, moody, inclined to pity themselves, timid, careless, disorganized, inconsistent, easily swayed by flattery, excessively loyal and committed, prone to feelings of inferiority, and overly emotional. If we talk about their profession and work, they should engage in occupations where emotional energy, enthusiasm, and sensitivity can be channeled constructively, helping them avoid becoming agitated in unfavorable situations. Jobs involving helping and protecting others or roles requiring foresight and thrift are well suited to them. They also excel in work related to the sea and liquids, such as business, real estate agents, archaeologists, nursery gardeners, hotel management, food and beverage management, retail, beverage production and sales, waste management, plumbing, laundry service, market gardening, maritime employment, and catering for events. They are successful in roles involving the supply of household goods. Psychologically, their fundamental desire is to protect and provide strength and support, particularly in women, where there is a strong inclination to protect children and offer them maternal love and nurturing. Physically, the stomach or chest is significant, and in women, the system related to milk production, the digestive system, and the process of nourishment in the body play important roles. Subconsciously, these organs are connected to the skin and knees through heredity. They may be prone to digestive issues, gas troubles, dropsy, nutrient problems, and the possibility of chest or breast enlargement and discomfort. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of Cancer. Their tough exterior and sensitive soul teaches us the power of emotional resilience and loyalty. If you resonate with Cancer's nurturing energy, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more astrological wisdom. Until next time, may the stars guide your path with compassion and strength.